Welcome viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very quick video about how to patch your damaged walls. So this is the mudding I got from the Home Depot. You can get from the Home Depot, Lowe's, or any hardware store. And you need that tool just from left to right, top to bottom. The trick is don't fill that hole like you can't do it like right away. It's not that easy job. You have to wait, fill it, then just leave it, and don't put too much mud on it. This is the trick. If you put too much mud on it, then it will be very bumpy and you have to do the too much sanding, which is messy. The second thing, if it's the hole is bigger, you need that patch. So you have to cut that hole, then put the patch on it, and then put the mud on it, and then just wait, do a little bit sanding, and it's ready for paint. But I'm not doing that because all the holes are not that big. Only one hole I noticed, which is little too much to handle with this mud. But let's see if it's stand it. So that's how I did it. This is very tiny one, so I did this mudding. Then the second day, I know when it's completely dry, I did the second coat, and then I did the sanding, and now it's ready to paint. That's it. This is I think the most easiest thing you can do by yourself. So if you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'm gonna share you tons of DIY with you guys. If you're new to my channel, I mostly do the design video, but sometimes I do the DIYs and the easy quick video. So tell me in the comments below you like it, or did you this before with your home and how it was. Did you fix it or not? It was actually dog door here, and it makes so much damage to that wall. So many scratches, but I'm really happy with the result. It's pretty smooth right now and then ready for paint. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next one.